Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Asad Yaqub and I welcome you to my this latest series of cue cards. The topic is describe a time when you received money as a gift. Received is second form of the verb. This is past tense. So describe a time when you received money as a gift. You should say when did you receive it? What did you do with it? How did you feel about it? So there are three cues and this cue card is important. I'm going to demonstrate an answer which may bring you 7 or above, right? Because I'm a non-native speaker as well. In my actual Ielts exam, I had achieved 8 band in speaking, 8 in listening, 8 in speaking, okay? So anyways, now let's just make a start. All right, let's make a start. Gifts have become very important part of our life on various occasions. Sometimes gifts are given in the form of things. On the other hand, in some cultures, gifts are in the form of money. Same thing happened with me on my last birthday when one of my friends gave me 20,000 rupees to buy whatever I wanted to buy for my birthday. Well, first of all, when I opened the envelope, I was literally surprised to see 20,000 rupees because I was not expecting that. I was a bit puzzled as well. So this just happened on my last birthday. And then I was totally confused. I didn't know what to buy because I wanted to buy something that stays with me longer. Because whenever you buy a gift, the life of the gift is sometimes a year or so. So I wanted to buy a gift that could stay with me longer than that. Finally, I decided to go for a beautiful painting, and that painting is still there in my bedroom, and this painting reminds me of that money gift which my friend had given me. I felt great. In the beginning, I didn't know what could be in the envelope as my friend handed over that envelope to me, but when I opened, I found 20,000 rupees and I literally valued that money and I bought painting, and because I think paintings stay with us for a long time. So finally, I feel great whenever I look at that painting, and this painting reminds me of the whole experience. Okay, now I created this story. Money was given, but I did not buy painting. I bought something else. So you can exaggerate in your actual speaking as well. I mean, you need to make up your mind that whatever the topic is, I will give an exaggerated answer to the examiner. Okay, all the best, and this answer is enough to get 7 band. You can get even 7.5 because my own band score is 8, and I know being a non-native speaker of English language, there can be certain issues with my English also, but still it doesn't mean that I should not speak English. Okay, all the best. You're also teaching Ielts online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on campus Ielts classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck from Ayubia National Park, from the forests. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.